when the all-new Triumph Street Triple lineup, consisting of the S, R, and RS models, was first unveiled back in January. I was excited. Really excited. Cope was sitting next to me at the press event. He says I was muttering quite a lot of joyful expletives. I don't remember that, but I'm not surprised. This is a bike that means a lot to me. I bought a Street Triple R completely blind in 2008. I wasn't really looking for a new bike at the time, but one appeared at a local dealer. It sounded good, looked even better, and seemed to fit my 5'9" frame perfectly. It was all a bit too convenient, really. It even had everything I wanted already fitted to it: a belly pad, seat cowl, and a set of Aero underseat exhausts. And it was an R to boot, with the adjustable suspension, slightly tweaked chassis, and Nissan radial calipers from the Daytona. To cut to the chase, I just had to have it, and looking back, it's possibly the best impulse purchase I've ever made. I feel like my motorcycling career grew up on that bike. I did everything from track days to jaunts in Europe to slicing through city traffic on my way to work, and it never once let me down. It's a bike that can do it all, and it should come as no surprise to anyone that Triumph has sold more than 50,000 units to date.